But is there a lack of appreciation for what you've actually done? Maybe in the Northern Hemisphere, about you're not being lauded correctly.
I'm going to be honest with you. I think I'm talking about me personally. The only thing that sometimes gets to me is it's not, we don't want people from the outside world to start supporting us and say, oh, well done, we do. No, definitely not. We don't care if people don't rate us in the way but when people start questioning how we play the game, the spirit of the game, why we do things. No, we don't analyze England and Ireland and comment on how they pick their teams and how their structures are and why their structures are like that and are they kicking too much. You won't hear our commentators even talking about that. They don't delve into the opposition. And our South African mindset is just like that. Listen, man, let us do our thing. And you don't have to respect what we're doing, but look at the scoreboard and you can decide if you like us or not. But yeah, I guess no, we don't feel disrespected by anybody, and I feel that there's a good, healthy, competition between us and the Irish, especially. But don't always overanalyze what we do in our camp. This is sort of our team, and if we get it wrong, you beat us in a day. Amen.